Okay, so I'm working on this 2006 Ford 500. I'm gonna make a separate video on replacing the fuel filter. It shouldn't be that difficult and it shouldn't take that long. So I already got the car jacked up in the air. Fuel pressure has been relieved. I'm just gonna go under here now and see what we need to do. So it's right there, you can see. Probably never been replaced before. It looks so rusted out. The two clips right here, one here and one on the other side, and then this clamp that's holding the filter in place in this little bracket right here. So doesn't seem very difficult, but you know how things go. The simplest things sometimes they just turn out to be harder than you expect. So that clamp is loose. Now we gotta pop these clips out and pull out the hoses. This oil pan. I'm gonna put this oil pan under it just in case there's some fuel that comes out, which is very likely that it will. I don't want to break any of these clips, but if I do, the new filter comes with replacement clips. So there's one clip. We gotta pull this line out, see. Should be able to just come out now. Probably best if you don't loosen up this clamp before, that way the filter doesn't move around too much. That's what it's doing right now. I think I'm gonna tighten it up. That way the filter's not moving around. Right there. See? Told you there'd be some fuel coming out. I think I'm gonna put this up here for now so it doesn't drip in my face. While I try to loosen the other side. Okay, that clip is out. Now I'm gonna get ready. Wiggle this line out. Yeah, just wiggle it out. There it goes. There you go. Now we can loosen this back up. I just dropped my screwdriver in the gas. And let's see. Come on. As you can see, there's still gas in the filter. Come on. I need to get it all out so it stops dripping on me. And it's probably gonna come out that way because there's a lip here. We'll see. Yeah, there's more room on that side because there's this hose right here, so we're gonna pull it out. Let's see. Look at how brown that is. Yep, very old, rusty, old. So see how it was installed? This lip right here was facing that way. Let me show you the new one. That's the new one right there. And this new one has an arrow and it says flow pointing that way. It's meaning this end is supposed to point that way because this is what it comes in, this is what it comes out. So you don't put it, you don't want to install it backwards like this. So pretty easy. Go ahead and put this in here now. Same way they came out. That. Tighten up this clamp. Okay. Well, like I said, the new filter came with new ones. So you can just compare them, make sure they're the same thing, and they look the same to me. So yep, gonna install this one here. Don't push it all the way in yet. Make sure that the hose goes in all the way over this lip right here. Okay, that clip is on there. Now, let's take this one out. Make sure that's all the way in. Okay, make sure it doesn't come out, and it's in there and they're not coming out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Easy, no sweat. Make sure this clamp is tight. After I get done with the whole car, I'm gonna come back here and check, make sure there's no leaks. So there you go. That's it for the fuel filter replacement. It's in there good. This in there is not coming out. Yep. So there you go. Thanks for watching.